Dave, how's the preparation for the
Okay naman, it's really fun for me kasi playing back in the Philippines with Filipino people and like, siyempre, there are a couple of imports na nag-English. Sobrang thankful ako kasi, I mean, siyempre, playing in Korea is pretty tough, playing abroad is pretty tough. But siguro in my situation lang, the language barrier, in my experience, language barrier is really different and really, really hard. So, I'm really just, parang nakakagaan lang ng puso na parang, medyo nadismaya kasi ako sa Korea, hindi ako ginagamit and everything, at tapos wala pa akong makausap. So it's really nice to be here sa Philippines kasi I'm with family and like I'm with Filipinos and medyo mas comfortable ako here in this country syempre.
kamusta naman yung like mixture ng tama? May mga bata, may mga different din yung naglaro na sa Pilipinas nila ni Chris mo.
Yeah. Siguro for me it's really a great opportunity for the part rin ako, young guys, na kasi from when I sumali ako sa Mighty, kay Boss Charles, siyempre,
Player na yan, si Default.
yun nga, nung nag-Mighty ako kay Coach Charles, kasama ko sila 30 pa, sila Kuya Bo pa yun, Kuya Bo, Tito Joseph, tapos sila Baut pa yun. So maraming, some mixture of players, and I think what Coach Charles and Coach Riker are doing, and sila Boss Jacob and Boss Frank, siyempre they're trying to siguro lessen the gap between the amateurs and like the pros and like especially with the age. So I'm really thankful ako kasi I'm part of the naisip ko ni Coach Charles na ipasok sa team. So thankful ako.
Ano na lang mga lessons niya na nakuha from your stint sa Korea na siguro madadala mo rin?
Lessons, siguro number one, always be ready talaga kasi iniisip ng mga tao na import. Sige, pag-import, pag sa abroad, maraming minutes agad, maraming playing time, the coaches are gonna treat you like an American player, something like that. Pero it's not the case so whatever happens, na gaano man ka-short o gaano man kahaba kayo pasok, in whatever the situation is, you have to be ready. Number two, that's, which is connected to that din, is huwag kang mawawala ng kumpiyansa, number one. Kasi, minutes never guaranteed unless you're really a world import and a star player. Medyo wala pa tayo ng caliber na yun eh. So, yun lang.
Meron namang plans next spring
For me, kasi wala lang ko kasi may deadline na sa Thursday, draft. Pero, yeah, wala kasi akong offers abroad eh. So, syempre, ako, it's been a dream naman of mine, syempre, ever since kay tatay, naglalaro sa PBA and everything. So, syempre, gusto ko rin ma-follow yung footsteps niya and ma-try ma-achieve yung mga na-achieve niya. Syempre, gusto ko rin makalaro kung makakalaban si Kuya. So, yun. Nag-apply ako sa draft. This upcoming draft. So, kaso hindi pa ako nakakapag-submit eh. Yun lang ang problema.
Final na yun.
Final na
So,
yun.
pipili ka.
Yeah.